If you want to merge PDF files, then there's an extension that can help you with it. So to install that extension, I'm going to go around onto the web store, and to do that, you can enable the bookmark bar by going on to the three dot icon, by going into bookmarks, and then by clicking on show bookmark bar. In my case, it's already there, and you will be able to see this apps icon right here. And if you are not able to see that, simply right click and then click on show app shortcut so you can see this out. So once I click on apps, here you can see that web store is an option. So I'm going to click over here, and then I'm going to go around and search for merge PDF extension. And to do that, I'm going to go around and in the search the store area here, I'm going to type in merge PDF. So once I click on this, you can see that PDF merge, PDF toolkit, merge plus, these are the extensions available that you can use. So I'm going to click on PDF merge and click on add to Chrome just like this. And then I'm going to click on add extension. So once you do that, what happens is that the extension gets installed. So PDF merge has been added to Chrome as it says right here. So now, in order to pin it, I'm going to click on the extension button and pin it right here so I can see the extension PDF merge. So I'm going to click on PDF merge, and merge is an option as you can see. So once I click on it, I can select PDF files and then merge it out. So I'm going to select PDF file right here, and then I'm going to go around onto my TutorTube drive where I have some PDF documents. So here you can see that I got book 1. So I'm going to open this out, and I'm going to select another PDF over here. And let's say I'm going to select the Lorem Ipsum file right here. I can also add more files. Let's say I'm going to open up the presentation file, and then I'm going to click on merge. So once you do that, you can see that it has generated out a PDF file, which I'm going to, let's say, for example, save in my desktop. So now you can see that this is the PDF file, and this is the book.1 PDF file. This is another one, the Lorem Ipsum and the presentation. So this is how we can use a Chrome extension called PDF merge to merge our PDF files right from within Chrome browser. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.